Firstly, consider freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are your gateways to monetizing your skills and expertise. From writing and graphic design to programming and digital marketing, the freelance world is your oyster. Secondly, there's e-commerce. With platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon, turning your passion into a profitable business has never been easier. It's all about product sourcing, marketing, and most importantly, exceptional customer service. Thirdly, explore affiliate marketing. By promoting brands and their products or services, you can earn commissions for every sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate links. Fourthly, why not try blogging or vlogging? Creating engaging content can be monetized through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products. Fifthly, consider creating and selling online courses and digital products. Share your knowledge and expertise with a global audience and earn while you educate. The sixth strategy is to create passive income streams. Invest in dividend-paying stocks, real estate crowdfunding, peer-to-peer lending, or create digital assets that generate income over time. Next, we delve into cryptocurrency and trading. This avenue involves risk, but also presents opportunities for substantial gains if you approach it wisely. The eighth strategy is to look for remote work opportunities. Companies worldwide are offering remote positions in programming, design, customer service, digital marketing, and project management. Ninthly, consider social media monetization. Grow a following on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook and monetize through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or offering services. Lastly, if you have expertise in a particular field, consider offering consulting or coaching services online. So there you have it. 10 strategies to generate income online. Whether it's freelancing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, content creation, selling digital products, passive income, cryptocurrency, remote work, social media monetization, or online consulting, the world of online income is vast and waiting for you to explore. Remember, the key to success is persistence, learning, and adaptability. Happy earning!